to the Algebra I STAAR podcast. I am Miss Clifton, and today we're going to find slope and y-intercept from a linear graph. Stay tuned so I can show you. The question that we have today says, the graph of a linear function g passes through the point -6, 2 and 6, 8 as shown in this graph. What is the slope and y-intercept of the graph g? What do we need to know? So, when we have a linear function, what we're going to have to do or know as the characteristics is first going to be our slope m. Also, how do we find slope in a graph? That will be slope equals rise over run. So in this case, we just pick any 2 points on the line. And first, we find our rise, which in this case is 1, 2, 3. So our rise is 3. And then the run, which in this case will be 2 to the right. So our rise is 2, making our slope 3 over 2. The second thing that we're going to look into is going to be the y-intercept, or what we call the b. The y-intercept is the point where the line touches the y-axis. In this case, this point right here, b. So in this case, my y-intercept or b will be 3. 1, 2, 3. So here my question, one of the things that I noticed right away is that in all of my answer choices, they talk about 2 things, slope and y-intercept. So I know that my slope can be found in a graph by doing rise over run. So what I have to do here is pick 2 points on my graph. Let's say this one right here and this one right here. 2 points that they cross exactly by the corner of the grid. And then I'm going to count my rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. And then my run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That tells me that my slope in this case is going to be 5 over 6. And I can already tell that there's a couple of questions that will not work. My slope is 5 over 6, not 6 over 5. So those 2 are gone. All that I have left is actually determine what is my y-intercept. Now my y-intercept, it is actually where the line crosses the y-axis, which in this case will be right there. In that particular case, my y value is 3. So my y-intercept equals 3. So not -4, 5. So my answer is D. I have a slope of 5 over 6 and my y-intercept is 3. What did we do today? Today, we found the slope and y-intercept in a graph by first, identifying the slope by using rise over run. Then, we look for the point where the line touches the y-axis because that is the y-intercept. Lastly, we look for the slope and y-intercept in our answer choices. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and that you learned how to identify the slope and y-intercept in a graph. Thank you and see you next time.